that's normal. Like this is 4.9. This was one of the old sayings in my country that seeks as much as knowledge until China. The China rapid economic and technologies development, so bringing opportunities. So it's more easy to get a job and then do business. I'm very grateful that this university, they give me the opportunities to practice the cross-border e-commerce. We study about how to manage online shop. I get a lot. I learned how to create the shop in the online shop, and how do you distribute the product, how you do the marketing. The one that I'm studying is international trades. So I want to make a trades company, my own company, that also have a cooperation with China company or some China businessmen. I still look for the new stuff because China is very famous of the newest technology, right? So I'm still looking for it. So that's why I always look at China markets.